Ever wondered how to perfectly identify and care for your plants? Picture this, a world where your thumb isn't just green, it's Technicolor, thanks to a revolutionary tool that's changing the game in plant care. Introducing the Smart Plant Detector, an Agri AI innovation that's putting the power of plant knowledge right in your pocket. This isn't just about knowing your roses from your rhododendrons, it's about becoming a true plant whisperer, understanding their needs and nurturing them to be the best they can be. The Smart Plant Detector is your go-to guide for all things green. With the ability to instantly identify a myriad of garden and indoor plants, it takes the guesswork out of gardening. This tool doesn't just stop at identification. No, it goes beyond, providing you with essential insights to help your plants thrive. Wondering how often to water your fern? Not sure if your orchid is getting enough light? The Smart Plant Detector has you covered. It offers expert advice on how to care for your plants, including optimal watering schedules, light requirements, and even pest management strategies. But that's not all. One of the standout features of the Smart Plant Detector is the Smart Perfect Match. This innovative tool recommends the ideal plant for you based on your preferences, determined through a simple questionnaire consisting of 3 key questions. Whether you love bright blooms or prefer hardy succulents, the Smart Perfect Match finds the perfect plant to suit your style and lifestyle. Imagine the joy of knowing exactly what your plants need to flourish. Picture the satisfaction of seeing your garden thrive, all thanks to your newfound knowledge. That's the power of the Smart Plant Detector. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but I'm not a tech whiz. No worries. The Smart Plant Detector is user-friendly and intuitive. You don't need to be a tech guru or a botanist to unlock the potential of your plants. So why wait? Embrace the future of gardening. Give your plants the love they deserve. Empower yourself with the knowledge to nurture your garden. Make your thumb greener than ever. Try the Smart Plant Detector today and discover the joy of confident, informed gardening.